Our liver naturally produces cholesterol, and this cholesterol then travels through the whole body with the help of protein. There are two types of cholesterol, bad as well as good. Good cholesterol, which is called as HDL, and bad cholesterol is LDL and VLDL. This bad cholesterol deposits itself in blood vessels, and this causes heart attack as well as strokes. So such a cholesterol can be really dangerous. So every human should definitely be very, very sincere about the fat which we are consuming. There are three kinds of fats. Number 1, saturated fat. Number 2, unsaturated fat. And number 3, trans fat. This saturated fat is mostly available in meats and dairy products. They instruct the liver to produce more bad cholesterol. Unsaturated fat person can get from plants, nuts, seeds and vegetable oils. This unsaturated fat is helpful in breaking down the bad cholesterol. Next, trans fat. These trans fat you will get from fried food, from baked food, from packaged food, open the packet and eat, open the bottle and drink, all these ready-made products. They are really harmful for our body. So to reduce the cholesterol, you will need to know certain do's and don'ts. Here are a few tips. Firstly, avoid trans fats. Avoid all packaged food, fried food, pizzas, pastries, etc. No doubt they are tasty. But as far as possible you should avoid, if at all you are eating, eat very little, not more in any case. Secondly, consume saturated fat. But in a limit, consuming butter, cheese, ghee, palm oil, coconut oil. These things should not be taken more than 1 teaspoonful a day. Third person must consume good fat. Certain oils like olive oil, groundnut oil, required in our body. Similarly, nuts like almonds, walnuts, cashew nuts, should be taken, and a fruit like avocado should be consumed. All these are good fats, and good fats are required in our body. Fourth point, to reduce cholesterol, you need to do some arsenal. Definitely actually cholesterol increases because of two things, lack of exercise and stress. So understand which arsenals you should do. Regularly exercise helps in reducing triglyceride and helps in increasing good cholesterol, that is HDL, in our body. Here are few arsenals. If you do them regularly, it would help burning excess cholesterol. First, Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar nowadays is getting very popular, but it really is a complete arsenal by itself. It is a combination of few arsenal, and it helps in every part of our body in any case to reduce bad cholesterol. This is the best arson where you are exercising everything of your body. Your head is getting circulation, your spine is getting exercise, your abdomen is getting good compression and exercise. Your extremities are getting exercise, your palms are getting exercise. So everywhere you will find doing something to help your body. So this should be done regularly. Do 2 to 3 rounds of Surya Nasa in the morning. That would do good. Second, Hasan would be an Hasan third. Very traditional asan, and that is in post. You are sitting now, throw yourself forward. Go ahead and take the support of both the arms, then try and lift your bottom up so that your entire body is like a plank. Stay in this position, holding yourself. And this also would help in strengthening your core and helping you to reduce your cholesterol. Finally, last but most important is pram number 4. This Yogendra para number 4 is the most ideal to see that every human becomes very much aware about his abdomen. His stomach should never protrude out. Stomach should be in contour. And for that, make the stomach muscles always flexible. So try and do this for 10 minutes twice or thrice in a day. Follow all these tips given. If cholesterol is unattended, then it can lead to a fatality. It is going to be harmful. So be careful, eat a right type of food. Try and see that you live a life in a way that you are stress-free, and learn to live positively, actively, with awareness. Namaskar.